Hello, welcome back to my channel YouTube ardimaspanji official. Today I'm making for the hoodie streetwear with rhinestone. I've done for the design is the brand is named ForeverFlyy. Look at this for the design with specification sheet. This is for the black front view, back view, and then this one for red. Same as use the rhinestone material. Okay, I will show you for the detail my design. Look at that. Oh, so sick. Look at this, making one by one for place rhinestone. Look at that. Whoa. Comment if you like or no. Maybe you have the comment. Don't forget on my YouTube. This is for the design detail. Wait a second, I will show you. Look at that. Ooh. ForeverFlyy. This is for the red and the back view. This is for the front view. I will show you for the wheel frame like that. Whoa. You see? This one. Look at that. You can change it from the order request, order like this. Don't forget, follow my Instagram and my subscribe channel YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye bye.